Howdy, folks. I don't normally do tool reviews, but I thought I'd give it a go. Could never find much on these benchmark tools, but I was in my home hardware the other day, and they had this tool on sale for $45 plus tax, and then they had the battery and charger on sale for about the same. And there's also a 85-piece blade set for another $45. So I thought I'd try the tool out anyways. I got lots of blades, so I didn't buy the blade set, but it seems to work not too bad. I like the blade release. You just pull that up and it opens, and then there's a little magnet that holds it down. But I think it was just a hair over $100 for the battery, charger, and the tool. So I thought I'd give it a go. I did cut a few little shims with it, and it seemed to work just fine. It does have a variable speed. It goes anywhere from maximum down to 1. I think we'll put her on about 4.
Awful noise.
Anyways, before I was rudely interrupted, you can see it works not too bad. It's not the most powerful one I've ever used, but hey, when the price is right, the price is right, so. Still got a full battery too, so. Let's try it on maximum. Well, maximum it actually doesn't cut too bad. It's I think it was actually working it pretty hard there. But I mean, for the do-it-yourselfer, I think it's not that bad, really. And the batteries are quite reasonable, I would say, compared to some other places. Like I said, this one was about 45 bucks on sale. The 5 amp hours were on sale for $78, and the 8 amp hour was regular price $150. So not terrible. Yeah, so if you're looking for some do-it-yourself or grade equipment, don't be scared of these. So you have a good one.